Alright, today we're going to paint some koi fish, probably swimming through kind of a pond river, so wish me luck.
Alright, so the question of the day is, what year was this church founded?
Alright, let's run through the colors.
Mars black, titanium white, yellow ochre, burnt umber, primary yellow, cyan, ultramarine blue, quin blue, pearly red, quin red, phthalo green.
Let's get the party started. Alright, so we laid the initial colors with a big brush, so now we're going to fine tune it. I'm going to check the shape too as well to make sure there's no really crazy proportions off here, so I know where to correct.
So the question of the day was, what year was this church behind me founded? This is the Cathedral of St. Francis de Sales. I don't know why, Silas, I think. So it was founded originally in 1850, and then in the 1860s or 70s they wanted to expand this all the way up. So all this was added on 1860s to 1879, so that's when they finished. And then the original founder, he kind of moved on to a different church, but yeah, this is all the way Gothic style from 1850 to 1879 in Cincinnati. All right, we just finished the painting. Let's take a closer look at the fish. So I got kind of this neutral background, added a shadow to the fish, so you see him kind of, he's on the ground in kind of a neutral body. He has pink, he has red, some scales. Yeah, I kind of like it. For my first fish painting, I think it's pretty decent. I don't know if I'm going to do that many fish paintings, but I figure why not try sell them on eBay. Hopefully you guys like it. Give me a thumbs up if you do. If you want to subscribe below. And I'll see you on the next painting video. Thanks for watching.